Hey guys, so Oukitel has announced the Oukitel WP23, the successor of the Oukitel WP22 and the latest rugged phone in the Oukitel WP series. As opposed to the WP22, the Oukitel WP23 is a budget rugged phone that you could get for less than $100. In this video, we'll be exploring its top features and specs. If you're new here and you're interested in the latest tech updates, then make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications. So without further ado, let's quickly dig into it. The Oukitel WP23 has a basic rugged design with body made of plastic and rubber. The device is 17.4mm thick, and currently the weight of the device is not disclosed, but I believe the device would weigh over 200 grams, mainly because of its astronomical battery, which I'll mention in a minute. The device has a 6.52-inch HD Plus teardrop display with a 20.5:9 aspect ratio. It is powered by the MT6765 SoC, which I believe is the Helio P35, an octa-core chipset that is capable of handling basic to average tasks. The device utilizes 4GB RAM and it has 64GB internal storage. The internal storage can be expanded up to 1TB via SD card. The Oukitel WP23 runs on the latest Android 13 operating system, and the device is equipped with triple rear cameras. A 13MP primary camera, it's the Sony IMX135 sensor, followed by a 2MP macro and a 2MP depth camera. The front-facing camera that is located within the teardrop is 5MP. As mentioned earlier, the Oukitel WP23 is equipped with an astronomical battery. Its battery capacity is 10,600 mAh, a very huge battery, guys. It's one of the reasons why I believe the Oukitel WP23 would weigh over 200 grams. Currently, I do not know if the WP23 would support fast charging, but the device can be charged via a USB Type-C port. The device comes in 3 colors: orange, green, and black. Other features of the Oukitel WP23 includes NFC support. It is rated IP68 and IP69K. It is military standard 810G certified. The phone also has a side-mounted fingerprint scanner and it supports Face ID. Unfortunately, the device lacks a 3.5mm headphone jack. So these are the top specs and features of the Oukitel WP23. Like I mentioned earlier, it's a budget rugged phone and you could be able to get it for just $100. So that's it for the video. I'd like to hear your thoughts about the Oukitel WP23. Feel free to share them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next update. Peace out.
Perfect.